Everybody, continuing with medical. Right here I've got the SOE vehicle medical bag. This one's in Typhoon, Cryptek, and red. I like the red, signifies medical. This one's set up basically for like 3 pods. So the way I'm going to set it up, I'm going to run Izzy. It's got these little places here. Run a chem stick. Then I'm going to take combat gauze. This is actually Kato gauze with the compressed gauze on top. I'll run that through this section here. So each panel will be set up like that. Each Izzy panel will be set up like that. Just duplicate. So you'll have 3 sets of gauze, 3 Izzy bandages. And then what I'll do is I'll run TQ. Actually, what I'll do probably, it's a little easier, is run the gauze up here. Then the tourniquets through here. Of course, they'll be staged and out of the wrappers. And they'll kind of go to the side here. Again, chem sticks here. Emergency blankets. You can run these on top. Then I'll have nitrile gloves. I'll have a couple sets. They'll run on top. What I don't have here to show you are MPAs and chest seals. I'll fold chest seals up and run them in here as well. On the outside here, you got this pouch. My idea is to run a couple combat splints. That way, if you have any kind of challenges. Also, one thing through training I learned was have some safety glasses. Of course, I'll take them out of the wrapper, have them setting in there. So yeah, we'll stage it all out. Basically, we'll have a vehicle trauma kit that'll have 3 windlass tourniquets. It'll have 3 sets of Katozan gauze, which is like combat gauze, stops bleeding. 3 sets of gloves. We'll have 3 sets of compressed gauze. I've got a video that shows you multiple uses for this if you just had one of these. Then we'll have 3 Izzy 6-inch compression bandages. A lot of uses for this. We can use these wrappings for chest seals as well. I'll have some duct tape wrapped. I don't have them sitting here. I thought I did, but duct tape wrapped cards where we can take the duct tape and use the packaging as chest seals. Those work just fine, but I'll probably put some hyphen vents in there. And this will stage in the car. I'll get a little patch, medical patch. I've got some of those laying around somewhere. But yeah, it'll be all set up. I have chem sticks as well. I'll probably throw in a headlamp, which I didn't put in this video. Just wanted to show you how useful this SOE medical vehicle med bag can be. You've got all of these different areas here, different bungee loops. You've got bungee on top of here. So let's say you were running an Izzy here. You can put a decomp needle here, an MPA here, or you could run, if this was open it'd be easier, but you could run a chem stick on top of there as well. You can run them here, decomps, whatever you want to do. A lot of versatility. You also have the Molly webbing outside here, so you can put extra tourniquet holders. They have these loops here, which you can put road flares. So in case of an emergency, you can pop those road flares and throw them near the car. So yeah, really versatile bag. I'm a big proponent of having medical, having trauma. You can make you a little, homemade boo-boo kit and stick it in the back of here as well, so it can ride around with you. SOE makes a lot of pouches that are good for that. So anyway, check it out. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, anything you would set up differently, sound off below. Let me know. And I'm always open for ideas. So I appreciate you guys watching. And until next time, catch you later.